video is sponsored by Cake Wallet, the easiest open source wallet to store Bitcoin, Monero, and Litecoin securely on mobile and desktop devices. When buying, selling, and exchanging crypto or trading for gift cards, Cake Wallet ensures privacy and security, giving you the keys to your coins. Good morning, everyone, and welcome back to the Daily Zest. I'm your host, Randi Hipper, here today on a lovely Tuesday. And if you're having a taco, make sure you comment that down below. Today, we're getting after it, and I'm so excited. I have so much news to share with you, including quotes from a
hucksters, fraudsters.
Yeah. Let's get it. Guys, I have so much news to share, and I can't wait. If you're ready for the Zest news, the education, make sure you smash the like, subscribe to the channel, share the stream out with friends so more people know what's going on here. Also, say good morning to me as I say good morning to you. We have a goal of 150 likes, 150 live viewers. We also have a subscriber goal that we cannot forget about, and that is 18,080 subs, only 5 more away. Also, guys, please make sure to check out our sponsors of the show, Cake Wallet and Market Cipher. Use code ZESTY for 15% off. Yay! Let's get it. Wow. I just can't believe, what's going on. I can't believe everything that's happening. But you know what? We're just going to keep doing what we're doing. We're going to keep getting after it as usual. All right. Wow, I see a bunch of you guys tweeting for the show. I appreciate that. I'm going to try to get back to these tweets after. But thank you guys so much. I'm going to say good morning to everyone in the chat. Let's get it. Bitcoin is bouncing up to 96.6 right now. We're up 2.24% this morning. Who is bullish? Let me see those emojis. Let me see those Bitcoin emojis in the chat. Let's go, let's go, let's go. All right. Let's do it. We got, oh, hello, Clem. Thank you for the hearts over there. Thanks, Clem. 1 out of 6 of our goal. Appreciate you. We got Bow. Hi, Bow. Nice to see you. We got Nicole. Good morning, Nicole. We got Brian, Blocky, Yoiser, Mike Vollmer, Silver Days, Ben Spada. Said Jamie Dimon is Delulu. Absolutely Delulu. St. Jerome, good morning. We got Black Hat. Always a good morning to you, my friend. John Legend saying MTC, 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 MTC. Hi, I'm here. John Legend, hello. We got Backup Kid, all set. Mark Smithson, good morning. Oh boy, I lost my spot. Why does my bot always do this to me? M2, good morning. Gary Littlemore, are you on multiple platforms this morning? Kevin, nice to see you. Welcome, 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 welcome. Who else we got in the chat? Who else? Bobby F, good morning. Chris Klein is here. M2 is using all his emojis out here. Crabman, good morning. Squeaks, good morning to you. We have Crypto Sun Yukio also on X with him. We have, Crypto Sun is also on YouTube. He's on multiple platforms today. Galaxy 9, nice to see you. Elric is chilling. Casper, Neo, nice to see you all. Sola Hefe, good morning. Who else we got out here? Oh my gosh, there's so many people chatting it up this morning. Love it. Rubik's Algo, nice to see you. Welcome. Crypto Shorts said bullish forever. Is that BBB? If I'm correct, where's he at? Good morning, Rob C. Sunny Day, I like that name. Good morning to you. I like your PFP over there. Yeah, Crypto Shorts, that's BBB. Hi. BBB is the best. Moonshine, nice to see you, Moonshine. Welcome, Aquarian. I want to just give a shout out to Aquarian. I think Aquarian's a cool person. Just throwing that out there. Guys, we're getting after it this morning. I'm bullish, and I'm ready to talk about the news. We have a goal of 150 likes, 150 live viewers. Please don't forget that goal. Right, JC? Right, JC, good morning. Good morning, good morning, good morning. We might be testing 97K right now. Hope everyone in California, again, is staying safe. If you guys are experiencing extreme weather of any sorts, whether that be snow or anything else, please make sure you're staying warm and safe. Please. We need all the Zesty fam to remain at home. All right, guys, let's get after it. We have breaking news this morning, but first, a quick market recap before we get into things. We have a nice sea of green this morning. We love that. We love a nice sea of green. SPX bouncing back. We're going to give you some coins to watch today. But really quick, everyone's talking about Bitcoin price, so we got to talk about it too before we get into the headlines. Bitcoin, again, remaining in our range between 90, 91K and that 98. Seems like we might be testing 98 today. We have a green dot printing on market Cipher. Again, we'll look deeper into this chart later. Are you guys bullish? I need those rocket emojis in chat. Give me those rockets. Give me those rockets. Right, Wolf, good morning. Super bullish for Bitcoin, that green dot being printed, 96.6. Let's get it. Crypto Sunset, trying to blow up your feet so you can spread the great word of Bitcoin. Well, I appreciate that. And again, once we hit 100 likes, I have my clip from Newsmax that I want to share with you guys. And please make sure that you guys smash the like on that as well. If you guys are on X, then please make sure that you are smashing the like on this stream as well, because we want to make sure we can reach as many people as possible. So here's the link to the X stream. So even if you're watching on YouTube, just head over to X and like and retweet it. Let's hit the algorithm on every single platform so that way we can spread adoption. Right, Doland? Right, Zools? So 0 pockets today. You're freaking outing me right now. Michael B with the rose, good morning. All right, let's get it. As always, we have our breaking news headlines. And again, this is a new format, day 2 of the new format. And I need your feedback. Let's get it. Well, we have our breaking news headlines, and that includes, firstly, before we get into the really spicy things as people enter the stream, one of Italy's largest banks bought $1 million worth of Bitcoin. Breaking news. Italy's largest bank by asset, Intesa Sanpaolo, purchased 11 Bitcoin worth $1 million, according to reports. They saw an internal message that said, as of today, January 13th, 2025, Intesa Sanpaolo owns 11 Bitcoin. They currently have a market cap of roughly $73 billion, putting it at 247 out of the top 250 most valuable companies. The share price is slightly higher today, over 2%. So we have Italy, we have the banks in Italy buying Bitcoin. Italia. I hope I could visit Italy one day, get some real pizza, get some real pasta. Apparently it doesn't make you bloated. Anyway, we have so much going on leading into the Donny T inauguration, and apparently this is stirring the pot big time, especially with people like Liz Warren. And again, this woman is evil. Senator Liz Warren is an evil person. And how that darn state of Massachusetts went and voted for her over John Deaton breaks my absolute heart. And to that, I say, boo, Massachusetts. Yeah, the voters messed up. Messed up big time. She is a crook. And it coincides with her little, co-conspirator, Jamie Dimon. That's anti-crypto. And now we do have Eleanor Terra giving us a nice report about Senator Liz Warren, her 31-page letter to the Treasury Secretary nominee, Scott Bessent, about a number of crypto-related issues. Here's one of the issues that I think is total. Put fire emoji, Liz Warren emoji in the chat. And if you probably already heard a little bit of this on the Randy Roundup. Senator Liz Warren's 31-page letter to Treasury Secretary nominee Scott Bessent previews a number of crypto-related questions she plans to ask during his confirmation before the Senate Finance Committee on Thursday. Questions include whether he thinks Treasury sanctions arm OFAC should have jurisdiction over stablecoins and whether or not it should have a tool to cut off fintech and crypto companies from the U.S. if they pose risks. Bessent could be asked these questions at the hearing, or else will respond to them in writing after. And again, should they have a secondary sanctions tool that will allow it to sever fintech and crypto operators from U.S. relationships? That is censorship. That is censorship. 31-page letter full of what? Full of what? Senator Liz Warren claims she's for the people. Let's build up the middle class, she says. But she does everything in her power to destroy it. Why? Because crypto evens the playing field. And if people are able to make money or, hold on, transact without somebody else's permission like Jamie Dimon and the banks, oh my gosh, then that's less money in her pocket. Especially, why would she say, what, rule out people from the United States in terms of crypto or operations here? Who lobbies with Liz Warren? Who pays her? Remember the anti-self-custody rule that she tried to throw out there? That you can't self-custody your crypto? Who backed that? Who literally banked it? The American Bankers Association. It all makes sense. Liz Warren is evil. She's evil. She's evil. And who else has shown their true evil colors recently? Well, it's been the SEC. And that's why Gary Gensler is stepping down on Inauguration Day.
Hucksters, fraudsters, scam artists, Ponzi schemes.
Now, Binance, we know Binance US has been completely shut down in terms of being able to have banking partners, along with a lot of other crypto projects and companies and exchanges, so on and so forth in the United States. They weren't able to be a part of the ecosystem. Oh, you're in the United States, you're a crypto company, well, you better leave, is kind of what they told people. And so a lot of them did go offshore. Binance US tried to stick around. They had to fire a good portion of their workforce because they had to pay a hefty fine. For what? Again, we still don't know. And I kept saying that. Where's the evidence that CZ or Binance itself or Binance US did anything illicit? We never saw the proof. Did CZ go to jail for nothing? Well, the Binance US chief said something pretty interesting, saying that the SEC called us a cauldron of fraud, yet there was no evidence. Why in the world are we allowing people like Gary Gensler and Liz Warren, all these people that straight up lie on television to the country, to go ahead and have enforcement actions? Why do we allow the SEC to ruin people's lives? Again, they had to fire a good portion of the Binance US workforce because they couldn't have banking partners. So again, a lot of their operations got slashed. Did the SEC say, hey, people that had to get fired because of our enforcement action that has no evidence, here's the rest of your paycheck for the year. Here's the next year's paycheck, so you can live your life and survive? No, because they don't care about the people at the end of the day. And this even backs it up. Gary Gensler's SEC branded Binance US a cauldron of fraud and used its power and influence to choke off the firm's banking relationships in USD fiat on-ramps and off-ramps, despite failing to produce any evidence to back up its claims in court, the interim chief of Binance US told CoinDesk in an interview. In June of 2023, incensed by the crypto exchange FTX. This is absolutely ridiculous, too.
You're welcome. Thank you. You're welcome. Thank you. You're welcome.
Cue the Jamie Dimon audio clip. Do we have one yet? Hucksters, fraudsters, scam artists. Is Jamie the new bad guy? Ha ha ha.
Justin, you just wait and see. I'm kind of saving it. I'm brewing right now. I'm brewing. I do have the clip of Jamie Dimon. Don't worry, my friend. But in honor of you, here's
Hucksters, fraudsters, scam artists, Ponzi schemes.
Oh, yeah, Justin. Sip your coffee, friend. Sip your coffee. I'm just getting started. Put your coffee emojis in the chat. Shout out to Justin. Now, again, because of FTX, the SEC sued Binance and Binance US, which who was behind a lot of the nice things behind FTX, all the good sentiment? Gary Gensler. Disgusting. Moving on. They came after Binance US, and CZ for charges that included violations of securities laws. Again, what is a security in the United States? There are no laws of the land. Gary.
Hucksters.
And Binance agreed to a $4.3 billion settlement with the U.S. authorities, and Zhao even served some jail time. Now, Binance U.S. was not involved in that. They were a separate legal entity from Binance Global. They weren't involved in that settlement. And the firm remains locked in litigation and stalemate, with the SEC today having been forced to endure the last 18 months denuded by the assault on its business operating as a crypto-to-crypto on the exchange. The interim CEO, Norman Reed, says we'll never recompense for the damage the SEC did. Within 2 weeks of that lawsuit, we'd lost thousands of customers, billions of dollars went out the door, and were later forced to lay off 70% of our staff. Again, did the SEC pay their paychecks? No. Institutions and banks ran away from the U.S. because the SEC said we were another fraudulent firm like FTX. It's ironic that a U.S. financial regulator would essentially create a bank run at a company, which is what they did. And that's what I call straight up manipulation. Manipulation. But Reed says that he expects to have the USD end of things revitalized over at Binance US, as we do have a Donnie T administration coming in. And apparently they've gotten looked at by all of these different people, and they were collateral of Operation Choke Point 2.0, again, spearheaded by the FDIC, spearheaded by the SEC. It was wrong. Because why? Bankers were scared and annoyed that there were tons of bank runs, bank failures back in 2023, and even sorry, I got mad and I hit my thing. Because the bankers got mad. Sorry, guys. Because the bankers got mad that there were all these people taking money out of the banks, and there were tons of bank failures back in 2023 and bank failures last year in 2024 that, again, weren't covered by the news or the mainstream media. Why? Because it would have caused even more fear and panic. And when there's fear and panic with the fiat, people are putting it in crypto because they know it's something they could be their own bank with. It can't be taken, and also can't be devalued like the dollar that has completely been obliterated in the past 10 years. So, taking a look at one of the most important parts of this article, shortly after Binance US was sued, the SEC attempted to put the firm out of business with a temporary restraining order that would have frozen all of its assets. Frozen all of its assets. The regulator claimed that Binance US was defrauding clients, abusing client accounts, and sending money overseas, which, again, blockchain is transparent. You would have saw that. The CEO says, but in court, the SEC lawyers were forced to say they had found no evidence of this. Of course, that didn't stop them from continuing to issue press releases about us. They're supposed to be the good guys, the regulators, wearing white hats. Yeah, the good guys that are actually
hucksters, fraudsters, scam artists, Ponzi schemes.
So yeah, Binance US literally did nothing wrong. Yet, all their banking services were cut off and 70% of their staff was fired. Now, let's also talk about Coinbase. Another exchange slammed by the SEC for what? No reason. Meanwhile, they went public. They had an IPO. Meanwhile, they're one of the biggest people that custody Bitcoin for the ETF issuers. So if, again, they were really bad actors, would they even exist right now? The answer is no. But again, there has to be theaters. There's the theater. There's different shows in the theater. The script. And this is a part of the script. Coinbase versus SEC is an absolute show. And U.S. judges are demanding for the SEC to explain itself for rebuffing requests for crypto rules. Again, explaining what is a security, what's not, and what did Coinbase actually do wrong. Again, this is theater. Gary Gensler is a paid actor. The SEC must now thoroughly explain itself for refusing to grant Coinbase's formal request that the agency write regulations for how the industry should assess whether crypto assets are securities or not, according to a circuit court ruling on Monday. A 3-judge panel for the U.S. Court of Appeals for the Third Circuit, in a legal rebuke of the securities regulator, partially sided with Coinbase's effort to get the agency to offer legal clarity by writing crypto regulations. One of the judges wrote, rather than force the agency to make a rule, we order it to explain its decision not to, which is ridiculous. It should make a rule. Indeed, a rule may not prove necessary to solve the noticed problems here. The agency could just state its position on crypto assets unequivocally. Yet, they listed a ton of crypto assets that they deemed securities. But again, they never explained which ones and why. We're still waiting. We're still waiting. Though we love that precious line, arbitrary and capricious, which is, again, what the SEC was called yet again. Chief Legal Officer from Coinbase, Paul, put out a little tweet and said, we just won our petition at the Third Circuit, rebuking SEC for its order denying our rulemaking petition. The court held that the SEC's order was conclusory and insufficiently reasoned, and thus arbitrary and capricious. We grant Coinbase's petition in part and remand the SEC for more complete explanation. He says, we appreciate the court's careful consideration. We further appreciate Judge Bibas's concurrence, in which he speaks forcefully about the looming constitutional concerns with, quote, ex post enforcement without announcing ex ante rules or guidance. An impressive piece of work. Yeah, how are you going to come after people and destroy people's businesses and their livelihoods and the retail population's investments with no explanation? Again, it shows that they don't want the middle class. They don't want us, the retail, to make money, and they want the rich to get richer. It's simple. It's right there in front of you. They're all paid actors. All of them are paid actors. Donnie T is entering the White House in 6 days. Get ready for it, friends. Get ready. Put those Donnie T emojis in the chat, because there's actually some news related to Donnie T that we have to share. Because there might be a reason why these judges all of a sudden aren't saying, crypto so bad, wham. Oh, maybe it's because Donnie T's entering the White House in 6 days. So all of a sudden, maybe the SEC should give us an explanation of what's going on here. Maybe they should tell us what is a security and what's not. Taking a look right here, apparently Donnie T is expected to issue executive orders on the first day of the presidency. Now, this is from the Washington Post, and we're going to take a look at it right now. So the Washington Post put up a little article yesterday about Donnie T, his inauguration, and all of these things. Now, in the section Early Wins, David Sachs, who is going to be a big part of the digital asset movement with the Trump admin, Sachs and members of the Trump transition team have been working closely with crypto leaders to finalize a legislative strategy. And Donnie T is expected to issue executive orders, plural, on the first day of his presidency that may address issues including the debanking and repeal of a controversial crypto accounting policy requiring banks to hold digital assets to hold them as liabilities on the bank's own balance sheet, according to a person involved with the conversations. So that refers to SAB 121, which Gary Gensler wanted to put forward, a rule.
Hucksters.
Which again prevents the banks from holding crypto.
Thank you. You're welcome. Thank you. You're welcome. Thank you. You're welcome.
Hashtag give us gain, heart.
Hashtag love to Jesse. Thank you, my friend. Thank you, Jesse. Shout out to you. Givers gain all the way. Make it clear. Make it roar. Fix the system that's broken. And the only way we can go and fix the system is by fixing this government and fixing the money to fix the world. That is our mission. And again, I did speak about fixing the money to fix the world on Newsmax. So we better be hitting 100 likes so that way I could play that Newsmax clip. We got 10 more likes. So among those executive orders could be referring to SAB 121, referring to how banks can hold crypto. In addition, it could be the executive order for a strategic Bitcoin reserve. Again, the government holding 1 million Bitcoin accumulated over the course of 5 years. Big deal. Big deal. Gio, I don't know that song, We Are the World. I probably do know the song, but I don't know it off the top of my head. Okay, Gio, can you tell me why we're almost at 100K Bitcoin again? Can you explain where $30,000 Bitcoin is, sir? Gio, also, when is our song coming out? Gio needs to work on our song. Guys, do you think that I should do a song collaboration with Gio? Do you think so? It was a good after stream chat on Discord yesterday. Thanks, Rob. Well, listen, for members only, we're going to be doing more of those. I'm thinking Monday, Wednesday, Friday, or maybe Monday for everyone, Wednesday, Friday for members. Let me see. Because I do want to keep, at least for the next few weeks, get input from everybody. But yeah. Why am I yelling at you? Because, Gio, that's what I do. And I'm allowed to yell at you. This is my show, Gio. This is my show. And you better stay for the whole time. You're not allowed to leave. Huh. Anyway, we can't focus on Gio no more. Because he has to watch the show and get educated. We have major news with Jamie Dimon, who called it a pet rock, Bitcoin. Oh, my gosh, Bitcoin's a pet rock, as it's a $96,000 pet rock. The best performing asset out of the last 14 to 15 years. Oh, wait. Jamie, what about your JPM coin? What about your deposit tokens that have been around for years? Oh, let's not talk about that. What about Onyx blockchain?
You're welcome.
Can we look at that beautiful XR pie?
Diggies, I got you when we get to the charts. Abso-freaking-lutely. Do you mind if I wait? Is it okay?
You're welcome.
Purple Bitcoin on Solana is the future dollar PBTC.
Thank you. Appreciate you. Stay high. Diggies, is it okay if I wait for that XRP? Let me know in the chat. Let me know if it's okay. Put XRP emojis for Diggies. Appreciate you. Now, Jamie Dimon calls it a pet rock. It's the best performing asset of all time. Oh, I'm not a fan of Bitcoin. Liz Bourne, hi, Jamie. Instead of me asking you about all the bad people that you bank at your bank, evil people, and all the gross things that have happened through your bank, and the millions of dollars of settlements you had to have with certain victims, what would you do about Bitcoin? Jamie, if I was the government, I would shut it off. What a joke. What a joke. And now when asked about Bitcoin again, this is what he says. And trust me, it should not shock you.
You've said that it's as useless as a pet rock. What do you really think?
You're going to have some kind of digital currency at one point. So I'm not against crypto. You know, Bitcoin itself has no intrinsic value. It's used heavily by sex traffickers, money launderers, ransomware. So I just don't feel great about Bitcoin. I applaud your ability to want to buy or sell it. Just like I think you have the right to smoke. But I don't think you should smoke.
Since he said that it's as
I'm just going to leave this headline here. Who's really the
Hucksters, fraudsters, scam artists, Ponzi schemes.
So who's really the bad people using the money? Is it people in crypto, or is it people like him in the dirty fiat system that fund corruption? Fiat funds corruption. You have to fix the money to fix the world. And he's a part of the biggest problem that humanity faces, that the United States faces right now. Liz Warren likes to support people like that because she doesn't care about women. She doesn't care about children. She doesn't care about anybody in between. And that is pure evil. Now look at Bitcoin. Look at crypto in general, the whole crypto space. It accounts, in the space itself, less than 1% of all the money moved in the space is used for illicit activity. Less than 1%. How much money worldwide? It's trillions of dollars every year that's used for money laundering.
You're welcome. Thank you. You're welcome.
XRP.
I got you guys. I will do the XRP chart. Thank you so much, James G. We have hit our goal for today. And you guys will pick an outfit for me at the end of the show. Appreciate you. Fix the money, fix the world. That's what needs to happen. Yes, true, he's the leader of the problems. Because again, he has the power to do it. He has all the people within our government that allow him to do it. It's wrong. So I'll just digress on that topic before I get too spicy. That is ridiculous. That is so ridiculous. Randy, I'm holding my breath until you make me a mod. If this is the end. I'm not a mod on your channel. I'm not a mod on your channel. Let's stop here. Let's stop this right now, Gio. I'm not a mod on your channel, dude. Why don't you make me a mod first? And maybe follow me on social media, okay? This guy. The audacity. The audacity. Didn't even say when our single's coming out. Ridiculous. Anyway, guys, we have a project spotlight that, again, you're going to be like, Randy, why are you spotlighting this one? But I think I have to. Here we go. We like to talk about freedom. We like to talk about letting innovation run free throughout the world. And the United States is missing out big time. Well, what country isn't? El Salvador, Nayib Bukele, boom, boom, bam. And who are they welcoming? Tether. Tether is moving their HQ over to El Salvador. New news. Nayib Bukele says, welcome home, bud, to the CEO of Tether, who tweeted, Tether, hearts, El Salvador flag emoji. Very excited for Tether Group relocating to El Salvador. El Salvador is the beacon of freedom, and Nayib Bukele is an inspiring leader driving the country with love, passion, and intelligence. They have a little press release going on, but the plot thickens because freedom of speech, well, we have Nayib Bukele from El Salvador that's having freedom reign. We got Tether that's moving their HQ because, again, the United States doesn't like them, which I think is funny that a U.S. stablecoin is moving to El Salvador. And then you have something that needs to kind of match this. Something that Tether's collaborating with, a free speech platform that also has a new cloud computing deal with the government of El Salvador. Who is that? It's the YouTube competitor, Rumble. Rumble plus Tether plus El Salvador is what Chris Pavlovsky tweeted, and he's the CEO of Rumble. He said freedom nations and companies coming together. And Paolo, the CEO of Tether, says the perfect match. So Tether and Rumble are collaborating to do some crypto payments on their platform. And Nayib Bukele is like, hey, kids, come to Papa. Let me give you a little hug. Makes sense. Again, smart move by Nayib Bukele. Smart move by El Salvador. Bring in the business. Bring in the love. Bring in the community. And you win. Winner, winner, winner. Nayib Bukele's a genius. That is our spotlight for today. It's Tether, because they made a really smart move here. Really smart move. Still holding here. Geo. You did not make me a mod on your channel. You didn't. Oh, you don't go live anymore. Oh. You're too... Guys, Geo's too cool for school. He is. But I'll still be here, Geo, so you can always tune into my stream. Maybe I'll make you a mod eventually. But you have to be here every day. That has to be a promise. Before I get into coins to watch in the charts and get to those XRP charts, should we play the Newsmax clip? Put a 1 or a yes emoji, 2 or no emoji. Do you want to see Newsmax? Do you want to see Newsmax? I went on there and I ranted. I ranted big time on Newsmax. I'm happy that they let me do that. I literally ranted my heart away on Newsmax. Do you guys want to see Newsmax? Put a 1 or a yes emoji, 2 or no emoji. Do you want to see it? Do you want to see it? Or should I just go into the coins to watch? All right. Someone needs to ask Jamie how many pet rocks he's in fact owned and holds. Yup, exactly. Exactly, Smokey Dan. Smokey, where have you been, my guy? So nice to see ya. All right. Nice to see you. All right. But you guys, Geo got timed out. No, don't time out, Geo. Don't time out, Geo. Shout out to No G in the chat. No G, I know he likes his Newsmax, so I'm going to play it. Then I'm going to get into our XRP requests. All right. So, Newsmax, this is the latest hit, and boy, I got spicy on there. Please, if you enjoy this hit, then you have to hit this link in the live chat, smash the like, and comment your thoughts. All right.
President-elect Trump is one of a few politicians actively promoting cryptocurrencies, saying during his campaign, quote, "I'm laying out my plan to ensure that the United States will be the crypto capital of the planet and the Bitcoin superpower of the world."
Hey, somebody's got to be, right?
I guess so.
Okay. Not everyone shares Trump's enthusiasm, though. Progressive financial columnist Annie Lowry at The Atlantic magazine warns of a looming crypto crash, writing, "Egged on by Washington, more Americans will invest in crypto. Prices will go up as cash floods in. Individuals, institutions will get wiped out when prices drop, as they inevitably will."
Joining us to discuss, crypto educator and podcast host Randi Hipper, plus public finance economist at the Heritage Foundation, EJ and Tony. Randi, going to start with you here. What do you make of Annie's dour prediction?
I think it's absolutely ridiculous because Bitcoin and crypto is here to fix the money. When you fix the money, you fix the world. Even within that article, I'm briefly quoting, talking about regulators and economists, talking about how they're worried about the chaos in the crypto markets, disrupting the traditional financial system, leading to a collapse in lending and the need for the government to step in, as it did in 2008. Well, look back at 2008. That's when Bitcoin was starting to be created because of what happened with the banking system. Bitcoin is something that fixes money. We need something that has a finite supply, something that's transparent and open. Obviously, this person doesn't want that, and they want the traditional financial system. And you look at the governments and the regulators. What have they done for even crypto in the past 4 years? What have they done to the economy in the past 4 years besides trying to obliterate it? There needs to be a fix. And with this new administration, we will have a fix. And that might be a threat to some of these regulators.
EJ, there's going to be price fluctuations, just like any asset, correct? I mean, it's going to go up, it's going to go down, going to go up, going to go down, right?
Well, certainly. And when you're dealing with something like Bitcoin that really only has monetary value, as opposed to something like gold, which has intrinsic value and then a monetary premium on top of it, with Bitcoin, because it's not tethered to anything else, it's not tethered to any industrial uses, for example, it's going to be inherently more volatile. That's part of the reason why I don't own it. I prefer gold as in terms of an inflation hedge. That's not to say I don't like crypto. I love it. I think it's great to challenge the current monetary order, but I really don't have a horse in this race, so to speak, and I think I'm objective from that standpoint. I love the fact that, again, Bitcoin is challenging the very folks who have so thoroughly destroyed the monetary system, the monetary order of not just the United States, but really of the entire world, and have put us into this boom-bust economic cycle wherein so many people have been trapped in debt that they can never escape from. We have over $1 trillion in credit card debt in this country, even while credit card interest rates are near a record high. And that has been a function of this runaway inflation and the violent changes in interest rates. And things like gold, things like Bitcoin that can't simply be printed out of thin air will fix that problem.
All right, we're going to have to leave it here. Randi Hipper, EJ, and Tony, thank you so much.
Great.
Oh, I went off on there. Oh, I went off. Yeah. He made the best asset win. Yeah, my guy. Like, I was just like, what? If they gave me more time, I would have debated him a little bit. But like, he was like agreeing with me, but not agreeing with me. So, but I definitely could have debated him. I think Newsmax needs to let me spit some more fires. Like, literally, let me go off a little bit. But it was the last hit of the 2 hours that they have. So I was just like, it's okay. They ran out of time, but I definitely would have had another answer for that. Anyway, good stuff. I enjoy Newsmax so much. Shout out to Newsmax for having me. As always, I always have the best time ever's on there. And I could replay it in a little bit when we have, he was agreeing, but not really agreeing. And I was just like, man, what? But he was good. I liked what he was saying about credit card debt too. But I definitely was psyched for that segment. I was on there. I was ready. I was like, let's get it. So yeah, let's get it. If you debate, try not to lose your noodle. Yeah, that's what might happen. Randi show soon on Newsmax. Well, guys, if you guys want to show Newsmax how much you want more zest, then what you guys need to do is go on Newsmax's Twitter. They did actually post my quote, Bitcoin is something that fixes money. And so please make sure, if you haven't yet, go raid their tweet over there. Go raid their tweet. Gio said, you got to go. Have a good day. Good job. Oh, wow. Thank you, Gio. Gio's so nice to me. Thank you. Donnie, shout out to you. All right, guys, we're going to go into your coins to watch, and then I'm going to get to that XRP chartery. Let's get after it. Here are your coins to watch. Here you go. Today you have your coins to watch, your biggest gainers and your biggest losers. First up, your biggest gainers. We have Caspa up 15%, Hyperliquid up 12, I16Z up 22%, Virtual up 17, XDC up 8. Now, Pengu token is also trying to catch up, down 22% for the week, but up 10% in the past 24 hours, trying to have a nice rebound. Then you have your biggest losers, my friends, your biggest losers, which, crazy, what's going on here? Yeah, not much craziness going on here. A lot of, hold on, let me see, is this glitching out? Let's go on CoinMarketCap. Give me a second. Biggest losers. Yeah, okay. Your biggest losers right now are Mantra, down 3.3%. We need freaking dark mode. How do we get dark mode on CoinMarketCap? There we go. Mantra, down 3.39%. Ondo, up 0.2%, but in the past hour, down 0.5%. Thorchain, up 0.49%. Wow, this is wild. Wow, we're seeing so much green. So I guess there's really not many losers. So I guess I wasn't glitching too much. Yeah. All we have is Mantra and BitGet token that are really down today. Rest of the market's pretty up. Wow. Go crypto. Woohoo. I was like, man, am I missing something? Maybe not. Maybe not. Guys, I'm working on the blackout curtains. I know. We're going to get into your charts and all of your requests, being that we do have some time left. Let's get after it. All right, first we have Bitcoin, $96,580, up 2.2%. bullishly, you're looking at that 98K. We are bullish. We are in a range between that 90K and that 98K. Yes, I made a mess, but I cleaned it up. Your bearish level to watch is 90K, which we fell right below it yesterday, around 89, low 89K. Your bullish scenario is passing 98 and looking at this 101.3.
You're welcome. Thank you. You're welcome. Thank you. You're welcome.
Take a look at the purple Bitcoin chart $PBTC.
Got you, stay high. But I hope it has history because I don't really like looking at charts that do not have history. But here we go. I got you. Give me a minute. So those are your levels to watch for Bitcoin as we have a green dot printed over here on the momentum, looking really good. Hopefully that crosses the zero line as the VWAP confidently has. And again, that's a bullish signal. Money flow is starting to tick upwards. Very nice stuff. And then we have the RSI that is peaking into bullish, slightly neutral. We want it to keep going bullish. So good for Bitcoin, up again 2.22% right now. We have Ethereum. $3,200, up 2% as well. Again, we tested that 200-day SMA yesterday. Although we still closed in the red, we did close above $3,000 ETH, which is super important. Now, we do have now a risk of retesting that 200-day SMA, and I really hope we don't and to go below it. Your bearish level to watch for ETH is that 3,060. Your bullish level to watch is 3,270. We want to test it, close above it. We have yet to get a green dot printing on Ethereum as we did Bitcoin. We have the momentum that is peaking down. Again, lowest momentum we've seen since the beginning of the month. We do have the VWAP that's moving up nicely and confidently. We wanted to cross that zero line, and the money flow is tipping down, but maybe we'll curve back on up. The RSI is looking good. It is mid-bear. We wanted to move up and hopefully go neutral again. But again, what would I always say? Send it. Send it down to oversold, relieve the selling pressure, and see what goes on. But if we do that, then we might be below that $3,000 ETH, which is a major psychological level. Look at Litecoin today. $100 Litecoin. Love to see it. Yes, if you have some AI rave music, please post it in the community chat on Discord. Please join the Discord if you're a member, especially we're going to be doing members-only after shows. $100 Litecoin looking snazzy. As we did close at this $98 yesterday, we want to keep closing above $100 Litecoin. Your bullish level to watch is $103. We're up 2.4%. VWAP is looking good, moving on up. Momentum, though, we are waiting for that green dot to be printed. The RSI looking good, too, peaking on up, but it is still technically bearish right now. I'm going to take what we can get. Please smash the likes and subscribe, my friends. Dogecoin, 35 cents. We want to keep closing above 34. We have a green dot printed, money flow picking up with that VWAP. Now we're going to get to that XRP that everyone's been waiting for. Guys, please smash those XRP emojis. We need membershippery out here. We want all the memberships out. Showcase your membershippery. Showcase your membershippery. Guys, we have 2 more likes till 125. Let's get it. Let's get 7 more for 130. Pamp it up. XRP this morning, $2.57, approaching our golden zone of $2.75. Can you see it? Now you could. $2.75 is what we're looking at. Again, you hold $2.75, your golden zone. We create stability heading towards that $3. And again, that $3.35 all-time high. Just about that level. Your bearish level to watch is your $1.82. Again, falling below that $2 is a major psychological level. We're up 2%, and we see why. The momentum is shooting on up this morning. The VWAP's moving up a little bit. She's inching, and we have that green wave of money flow. We also have the RSI that is mid-bull, still has not gone bearish since over here in December, so has been holding up pretty well compared to Bitcoin and ETH and Litecoin and all the others. All right, let's keep getting after it. Do we have any other chart requests? I know there was that purple Bitcoin. What was it? PBTC was the ticker. What was it? What's the ticker, my friend? Hold on. Fan funding. PBTC. I don't see it, my friend. I don't see it. Yeah, I don't see this. Maybe it's on Dex Tools. PBTC. Guys, please smash the likes and share this out with friends. Let's get it. PBTC. Let's see. Oh, purple Bitcoin. I got you. Is this new? It's definitely new. Yeah, nah. Yeah, see, I can't really do chartery on this, my friend. Like, your bearish level to watch is 29 cents. That's really all I can give you. You're at all-time highs. You want to hold support around 29 cents. But this is too new, my friend. Too new. Too new. Let's see what else we have over here. Drunk Pirate, nice to see you. What style of music am I into? I really like something like this. Hold on. Like my original.
Thank you. You're welcome. Thank you. You're welcome. Thank you. You're welcome.
AXP'd by Virtuals.
Thank you, Jesse. I got you. Hold up. I really like something like this, but I have to play it quick because then I'm gonna get demonetized. Something like that. Like all right, AIXBT. Is this also too new, Jesse? All right, let's see. Yeah, see, I can't do nothing with this one either. I can't do nothing with this one. Again, you can look at 50 cents, but you're at all-time highs. There's not much you can do here. 50 cents is your bear scenario right now. Guys, please don't give me anything that's too new because then I really don't want to hurt anybody with that. Jesse, thank you so much, though. I feel so bad. Let's see. Chris B's chilling. XLM is fair. Let's do XLM. XLM is 42 cents right now, down 0.1%. Bullish is 65 cents. Your bullish scenario. Your bearish scenario here is 35 cents. That's what you're looking at for XLM. It seems like the money flow has been steadily sliding on down since up here on the 4th. So about 10 days you've been sliding down with this money flow. VWAP is pretty flat right now. I did do the XRP. Any theories why Coinbase and Kraken won't list DigiBuy? I don't know. I feel like I heard about like a community controversy back in the day. Is that true? But either way, I think it should be listed. I think DigiBuy should be listed. I think there's nothing wrong with the tech. There's nothing wrong with the community like at all. But I think there was a controversy back in the day, if I'm not mistaken. EDM house dance tracks, I'm on it, even throwing some tune with lyrics about me. Oh boy, Smokey Dan. AVAX, yeah, we could do some Avalanche. Avalanche is on my list over here. Give me a second. Avalanche, still the same levels to watch for Avalanche. We're at $36, up 2.8%. Your bullish level to watch there is 41. The bearish is falling below the $30 200-day SMA, looking at $29. Again, psychological. Binance seems to be hinting at a Caspa listing. That would be interesting. That would be interesting. VV Zombie, good morning. Good morning. Is Geo back? Is Geo back? Mr. S, nice to see you. Welcome. Yeah, guys, we got some good stuff going on. I love what's happening with this format. Do you guys like the new format? Do you guys like how the show has been going? Do you like our little transitions? Can you let me know in the chat? I need to know like the general consensus, you guys. Also, let me go get potential options for tomorrow. Okay, hold on. Give me a second. Give me a second. And there better be more likes when I come back. I'm just kidding. Please smash the likes. And let's get after it. We have 133 likes. Can we get 170? 140 by the time I get back. 7 more likes. Can it happen? Can it happen? All right, hold on. French Toaster likes the new format. Yeah, give me thoughts on the new format. Also, 7 more likes. Pimp it. Okay, hold on. Listen to Piano Matty B while I'm gone. Hold on.
Why don't you like and subscribe?
Okay, I'm back. All right, I got your options. Don't fret, friends. I have your options. All right. So, this is what we got. This is what we got. Oh, look, more people came to the show. Okay. Let's get it. Let's get it. All right, let me. Oh, do you guys think Jamie Dimon is Delulu? 93% of you guys said yes. Good answer.
Oh, girl, baby girl.
Thank you.
Even
You're welcome.
play.
Thank you. You're welcome. Thank you. You're welcome.
Can you look at Dev?
See, this I could somewhat look at. Yeah, give me a second. I got you. Thank you, VV Zombie. Let me put up this new poll. I put up the poll, show you the options, and then while you guys are voting, then I could do this. Okay. So, dress options. 1 is brown. 2 is pink. 3 is stripes. Just to diversify that. Okay. First one. This is the brown one. This is the brown one. Option number 1. This is option number 1. There you go. Option number 1. Option number 2. This is option number 2. Long sleeve vibe. This is the pink option. There we go. Okay. And then this is the stripe option. This is option number 3. Option number 3. What do you think? What do you think? Let me know. Vote in the poll. Vote in the poll while I do the next chart request. Okay. This is for VV Zombie. Give me a minute. Again, there's not much history here going. I mean, it goes back to February of last year, so it's almost a year old, but still. All right. Give me a second. Give me a second. Boom, 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 boom. All right, so your levels to watch here.
You're welcome. Thank you. You're welcome.
Oh.
Thank you. You're welcome.
Love this show. Thank you.
Thank you, Chris Klein. Much love to you too. Thank you so much for watching. I appreciate you. Guys, please vote in the poll for the outfit tomorrow. All right. So we're at $1.47 for Dev. Is this what the coin is called? I never saw this one. 3.83% in the red. Your bullish level to watch there is $1.71. Your bearish level to watch is right here at $1.16. And even more bearish is 68 cents. Those are your levels to watch. So again, $1.72, $1.16, and 68 cents. VWAP is down, which is typically a little bearish, but you're going to hope it recovers and maybe hold that $1.29. John Legend said, best crypto news every weekday. Thank you. Oh, yeah, the pink and the stripes are making a comeback. The question is the pockets. Well, this one, the stripes have no pockets. No pockets here. This one, however, this one has pockets. The dress I'm wearing now has no pockets. No pockets right now. So what do you guys think? What do you guys think? You have another minute or two to vote in the poll. Another minute or two to vote in the poll. Let's see. Dress 1, 2, yeah. Stripes or pink. Vote in the poll. And then there's, what? Are you freaking kidding me? Oh. Freaking TikTok. TikTok again, live restricted, may find uncomfortable, been restricted, commercial disclosure, paid are you freaking, no. Feedback, submit, are you, TikTok, no, I don't know why I'm getting this freaking stupid. SMH TikTok. Why do you do this to me? Why do you? Wow, freaking TikTok sucks. Oh my gosh, see, this is why I tweeted yesterday. If Elon takes over TikTok, it better be free speech. And it better not be stupid. Oh, that is so annoying. That is so annoying. Anyway, this is the brown option. TikTok. Better shut this thing off. SMH. SMH. Spicy. Oh my gosh, TikTok makes me get spicy. Raining good vibes now. Forget TikTok. Forget it. All right, what do we got? We got the pink dress that won. Wow, that's crazy. All right, so pink dress it is for tomorrow. I'm going to set a reminder and make sure I wear that. But thank you guys so much for being here today. Thank you for supporting the new format of the show. If you haven't, please make sure you smash the like and share this out with friends. I appreciate every single one of you guys. If you haven't yet, please go to the Randi Roundup playlist. Hold on, I'm pulling it up. Go to my YouTube channel. Don't be scared. Go to my YouTube channel. You go to my channel. You go to videos. Oh boy. Look, it's my latest thing on Newsmax. And then it's my latest Randi Roundup. Go smash the like on those darn things. Comment your thoughts on them. Let me know if you like the Randi Roundup. Let me know if you like my recent hit on Newsmax where I completely went off. Let me know. You got to make sure you show love to the channel so that way we hit the algorithm. We go out and about and we save the world. That's all I want to do is save the world. I love the world. And all it has to offer. So I'm bullish on you guys. I'm bullish on the world. I'm bullish on humanity. And I'm bullish on Bitcoin. So if you haven't yet, please smash the like, subscribe, share it out with friends. Thank you guys for all the love. Please join the Discord as well because tomorrow I'm going to get after it with a members-only after show. So I hop off the stream. I go into the Discord. I go in the voice channels. Also, the little Discord chat. You guys could ask me whatever. And as long as it's something I could answer and get after it. So thank you guys so much. I appreciate you. Have a beautiful day. Smash the like, subscribe, share it out with friends. I will see you guys for the Randi Roundup later today and then again tomorrow for the Daily Zest. Have a beautiful day. Happy Tuesday. And as always, stay zesty. Peace. Also, Bobby F-Size daughter, 17 today. Happy birthday, Ava. Pamp it up for Ava. All the love to her. Hope you got her some Bitcoin, Bobby F. Have a beautiful day. Stay zesty, guys. Peace.